Guys, welcome to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson, we are going to be assigning peers to it. So this is when we are going to assign a particular peer to this one, another peer to this one, another peer to these ones that are similar. So we are going to have about 4 peers. So we'll go to define. We are going to define peer labels. So we have P1 already. So you can add a new name. So we'll click P2, then P3, and P4. Okay, so P4, click OK. So the first one is going to be this walls. So go to all stories, select all stories, highlight it for all of them, all the stories, then assign shell. Then we have peer label, so select this and assign it as P1. Okay, P1. And the next one we want to do now is to assign this as P2. So highlight this, okay, all stories, come here, apply P2. Then we're going to assign this as P3. 1, 2, P3, assign, apply. Then this will be P4. Now the reason why I'm making this one P4 is because there's going to be opening on that, which I'm going to do now. So we can see it in 3D, and let's make sure, sorry, show all objects. So we can see it P2, P3, and we have that. Okay, what I'll now do now is I'm going to select only the walls back. So select object properties, object types, then walls. Okay, select it, click close, show selected objects only. Okay, so I'll go to the plan, the first floor, and select only the walls because we're not using the staircase now. Select these and show selected objects only. Okay, so what I need now is to create openings at this point. So highlight it, show selected objects only, go to the 3D, you can see it. So I'll come here to this side, you see draw walls opening, select it. You can put the parameters you want, or you can draw it manually yourself. So just click it and draw it the way you want. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, this height, then I want to draw this, something like this opening. Okay, so you can see this X mark there is showing you for opening, so you can just complete. Okay, so after creating the openings round, you can just replicate it and place it there. Then we'll run the analysis. Once you run the analysis, it most likely gives you the opening. So let's give it a little while for the analysis to load. Okay, so what we'll do now is highlight the whole wall, then come to SHEAR wall design, click the arrow, view, and do this preference, select your preferences, click OK. Under SHEAR wall again, click this, define general peer section. But because we have multiple peer section, we don't need to do anything here. And you come here, click the arrow. So under this, you can see assign peer section, and we are going to use uniform reinforcing. So you can see we have simplified C and T design. Now this will only give us compression and tension, but we're going to use uniform reinforcing. So choose the material you want, use the bar size you want, 12 mm, choose the spacing, cover the bar size at the end corner, and you can choose to be designed. Once you click OK, you can also highlight the whole structure again, then come down here, click the arrow, you can see select design combo, so select the combinations you want. So we are using from Udicon 1 to Udicon 18. So click OK, then click here and start design or check. So we are starting our design. Once we are done now, it's going to give us some values. It's going to be like the column. So what we just need to do is to input it. So let's go to the first floor and choose perspective toggle. Yeah, on the first floor, and let's have this perspective toggle so we can rotate now. Okay, so you see it has given us the values here. So it has given us a value of 15,445. So this is the area of still required for peer 1. So let's go closer to this is for peer 2, then peer 3, and peer 4. So it has given us the values for it. Also, you can come down there and check the ratios, this display design info, and choose whatever you want. So peer reinforcing ratios, you can check the ratio. So you can see that it must not be less than 0.02, which is the minimum recommended by the code. But don't forget, in our case, our shear wall is not really doing much just to resist the wind. So it's using the nominal reinforcement. So indirectly, nominal reinforcement is required to resist for our shear wall design. So what we'll just do is just pick a simple ratio of maybe Y12 at 250 center to center or 2. So thank you.